People of God, how are you doing this week? How are you doing today? How are you doing this month thus far? Happy and blessed new month. For some who have never heard it, happy new month. This is your month of new beginning. People of God, let me tell you a quick revelation the Lord revealed to me. So it took me into the Hebrew terrains. And as Bible students, people always, you hear a lot of theologians refer to Hebrew. But I would encourage you to learn it for yourself. It's not just a regular language. It's a divine language, that was spoken in our forefathers' time. People of God, February, Shevat. It's like the 11th month of the Hebrew calendar year. It carry a different type of spiritual terrains. So God took me in a deep insight with it, and I want to share something from it to leave you with on this beautiful month. For many people, they don't celebrate Valentine's or whatever it is. This week coming up is the end of the week. It's celebrated as Valentine's Day. Not here to celebrate it. I'm just here to fill you in with some insights of how to look at the word February and why it's termed a month of love. Shevat. When you look in the Hebrew terrains, it is known for renewal, redemption, love, adva, which is a Hebrew term for it. It is a multifaceted word. Hence why February is known as the month of love. It carries different parts to it. Love from different people, not only your family or close friends, but your spouse, your partners, your neighbors, your co-workers, different types of person that you interact with. This is the month which is considered the month of love. So people of God, find someone to love on, because here the word of God said, this is the month of renewal, redemption. This is the month where it's going to rain on you. So while the Lord poured rain of love on you and infill your body, your being, your roots, your leaf, your branches, and everything connected to you, pour it back out to your people. Pour it back out to those around you. So I pray you have a divine month, a loving month, a blessed month, because this is your month that begins the brand new year. This is your new year. This is your year of redemption. This is your month that comes with redemption. So consider it your new year, because God is redeeming everything that the locust and the cankerworm took. God is giving it back to you. This is your month of success. This is your month of new beginning. This is the month you're going to shine like never before. Bless your heart, people of God. Have a divine year. Have a blessed year, because God just getting started.